And I'm here today to share a little bit about the C9 program. We all have lifestyle and weight loss goals, but life sometimes gets in the way. Often we don't have time to make a plan. The C9 program does the planning for you. It is a calorie-controlled diet plan and exercise program designed to help you meet your weight, exercise, and lifestyle goals. Weight loss on the C9 program is achieved by following a calorie-controlled diet and through exercise. But the program isn't just for those who want to lose weight. The C9 is also the first in a series of programs provided by Forever. It is designed to adjust your mindset and to kickstart good habits for life. This means it's an excellent choice for anyone who's looking to transform their approach to fitness. Forever Aloe Vera Gel is the base to our C9. It's rich in nutrients and so supports gastrointestinal health and immune function. Aloe is a natural cleanser, so it's a perfect option used with our C9. When on the C9, drink 120 millilitres of aloe vera gel with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and before bed. Ensure that you shake it well before use and keep it in the fridge once it's opened. Forever Light Ultra has the right balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It's the perfect shake when you are watching your calorie intake and has all the vital elements that are essential when you're following the C9 program. There are two flavours, vanilla and chocolate. Both contain 24 grams of protein per serving when used with cow's milk. There are many recipes in the C9 booklet. One of my personal favourites is the vanilla and strawberry smoothie. Forever Fibre is vital for a healthy, balanced diet and can be taken once a day. It's designed for digestive health and is high in fibre and low in saturated fat. The Forever Fibre contains 5 grams of fibre and can be added to any beverage to ensure that you get your daily intake. Consuming your recommended daily allowance is particularly important during the C9. Take the fibre and mix it with warm water. However, if you prefer, you can mix it with your aloe vera gel. Forever Therm contains a special combination of vitamins, including B6 and B12, which contribute to the reduction in tiredness and fatigue, and vitamin C, which also contributes to the normal energy-yielding metabolism. The vitamins provide supplemental support whilst you're achieving your diet and lifestyle goals. Garcinia cambogia is a tree native to Southeast Asia. It produces fruit that's prized for its culinary and beneficial properties. And as well as that fruit extract, Forever Garcinia Plus contains chromium, and this contributes to normal macronutrient metabolism and the maintenance of normal blood glucose levels. Before embarking on any exercise program or using dietary supplements, please consult your doctor for advice. The C9 program is not suitable for and should not be taken by anyone who has diabetes, kidney disease, epilepsy, heart disease, or dementia, and it should not be followed during pregnancy or when breastfeeding. The booklet has dedicated spaces for you to record your progress and take notes along the way. When you begin a program, you deserve maximum results. Follow the tips I use to achieve my best results, and hopefully you too will be impressed by what you accomplish. Weigh and measure yourself before you begin. Record your measurements in the booklet and calculate the difference at the end of the C9 program. Record your daily exercise, food intake, and how you feel while on the program. Noting down your progress will help prevent you from deviating from the C9. Drink plenty of water. It's essential to keep yourself hydrated, particularly when exercising. Men should drink approximately 3 litres a day, and women should aim for 2 to 2.5 litres. Put down the salt shaker. Salt contributes to fluid retention. Flavour foods with herbs and spices instead. Avoid fizzy drinks and carbonated beverages. Carbonation promotes bloating. Drinking fizzy drinks also adds unwanted calories and sugar. Within the C9 booklet, there are various exercise options that you can perform throughout the program. You'll be consuming a diet very low in calories in those first 2 days, so you may feel you have a little less energy than usual. Whilst getting some exercise is really important, it's best to stick to low or moderate impact exercises during this phase of the C9. For example, a gentle 30-minute walk or taking a yoga class for beginners. From days 3 to 9, you can step it up because you're consuming more calories. Studies show that aerobic activities like running and dancing burn more calories than other forms of exercise. Forever Light Ultra Shakes. Create your own using fruit and veg from the free foods list. Fruits, veggies and free foods can be eaten throughout the day. Vegetables should be eaten raw. And dinners should be around 500 or 600 calories. Moving towards a healthier lifestyle isn't easy. That's why Forever have created the F.I.T Program, an easy-to-follow regime made up of bite-sized stages to help you achieve your fitness goals. The next stage after C9 is the F15, and there are 3 levels to choose from. F15 Beginner is perfect if you're new to fitness and nutrition, and you'll learn the basics of fitness with customized body workouts, fundamental movements, and basic cardio. F15 Intermediate is the perfect program for you if you are moderately active but looking to step up your routine. It will help you take your fitness to the next level. F15 Advanced is for those who are very active. It involves higher intensity exercises and supplement support. It also offers a more intensive regime for those looking for a challenge.